Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to follow someone on a Pinterest. For example, let's say I open up this post and I want to go ahead and follow this person, right? All you need to do is click on their profile and then click on the follow option, right? Or what if someone gave you their username? How do you look them up and follow them, right? So you go to Pinterest and search for their name. We have their name right here. So I'll go ahead and click enter. Now here you'll probably see some posts. What you need to do is just click on this icon. Okay, go ahead and do that. Now we're going to filter this. We're going to filter this by profiles. Okay, so I'll toggle this one on and then click on apply. And there you go. You can see this person's profile. I'll go and open this up and I can come and follow them. Just click on follow and boom, we're following them. There you go. Really that easy and simple.